Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, dua is very important because it will save us from hardship, difficulties, problems, distress, bad luck, sudden happening, untimely trouble, untimely danger situation, misfortune, from the jealousy, from the discomfort or torture of our enemies. This dua is very important. When we request Allah with this dua, so Allah save us from different type of problems, especially the problems which happen suddenly. So we will be saved from it. So this dua we can find in Hadith book Sahih Bukhari 6347. So we have to read this dua and request Allah with our heart, with our mind. So just making our full concentration towards Allah, then we request Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min jahdil bala wa darki shaka wa su'il qada wa shamatatil aada. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min jahdil bala wa darki shaka wa su'il qada wa shamatatil aada. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min jahdil bala wa darki shaka wa su'il qada wa shamatatil aada. The meaning of this one: O Allah, save me from severe suffering, ill fate, misfortune, bad luck, and save me from the happiness of our enemies over my grief or my sadness. So when we request Allah, Allah save us from hardship, difficulties, different problems, and bad luck, untimely trouble, untimely dangerous situation, and Allah also save us from the jealousy or discomfort or torture or trouble from our enemies. So we are completely safe if we request Allah with this dua: Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min jahdil bala wa darki shaqa wa su'il qada wa shamatatil aada. Allah gave us tawfiq to make this dua with full concentration in order to get Allah's special safety to save us from all type of troubles, problems, hardships, and untimely distress and untimely dangerous situations and jealousy from the enemies. So Allah is ready to help us, but if we request Allah with humble situation, with concentration of our heart and mind, then inshallah we will find Allah's help. Ameen.